Oh, KP! Hey man, it's a whole back here.
Say what?
What?
Welcome back, guys. I'm KP,
And I'm Genoj.
the real estate gurus, and today we want to welcome you guys to a brand new project. We've never been here before. I mean, we don't know what to expect, but we know we're in for a treat.
And all we know is that the numbers look good. The house on the outside looked decent outside of the tree that fell on it. So we don't know if there's water issues, what type of damage going on. So you guys are about to follow us inside the house and see it with us for the first time. I got the keys, man. Let's go check this out. Let's go. Oh, man, I don't know if we're gonna find them. Hey, about to find out. Oh man. Okay.
Yeah,
I guess pretty cool over here.
pretty big,
Yep.
like openings. Okay. Not too bad. Of course, we gonna snatch all this out. I mean, this little bitty kitchen won't work. I think we should take this whole entire wall out and open this space up completely. Because right now, I'm feeling like I'm in an apartment and not a $500,000 house. So that's definitely coming out. So, what you got over there, Jen?
Hey, you notice my drink, right? I'm gonna take that to the house. So on this side of the house is where all the damage is. Of course, there's a tree that fell on the house. So what I'm looking for, of course, is like big water stains. I'm trying to figure out like if there's any other damage outside of this that has affected the house. So it looks like the seller has replaced some of the plywood on the roof, which is good. And of course, by it being tarped, it's really helped isolate, any further damage. So that's the good news. I can tell by looking over here that there's going to be, some structural and brickwork on the front of the house and of course in the ceiling, but it's just in this contained area. So nothing alarming, nothing that we're afraid of, and it shouldn't be too costly to fix this issue right now. The other thing over here, all the bedrooms over here. So it's a bedroom, a Jack and Jill bathroom that's shared in another bedroom. So we can really keep the same layout and floor plan, and that's gonna help us save a lot of money. So let's take a look at the master and figure out what we're gonna do to recreate that master space and see how we can make a wow factor with this whole house. So we've already kind of looked at the layout and we already have a general idea of what we're gonna do. The first thing we're gonna do is vault the ceiling. Once we vault that ceiling, it's gonna make the room feel a lot larger. The other thing that this master is missing is a master bedroom. So the secondary rooms are pretty big. What we're gonna do is open up this closet and make it bigger and steal from the other bedroom. That way we can have a nice sized master bedroom. Once we do that, then we can take this closet and turn it into the master bathroom. So now this whole entire area is gonna be the master. So just imagine walking up and there's a sliding barn door that goes either left or right. Then you walk in the bathroom and you have a nice vanity. Then you can have your toilet and you can have a huge walk-in shower in the corner. And that is gonna make the bathroom look amazing and functional.
All right, so you guys know that we're gonna take this wall out and vault these ceilings. And a lot of people always inquire about what are we paying for this demo on this vaulting of the ceilings and removing these walls. It all depends on the structure itself. If this wall isn't load bearing, then a couple $100 because we'll tie that in with demo. But if it is load bearing, then we're gonna have to install an LVL beam to support the load, and that may cost you between $1,500 and $2,000, depending on the length of the beam that you get produced. As far as vaulting of the ceilings, if we tray it might cost us about $700 just to tray it out, because this is a pretty big area. But if we wanted to vault it and get even higher, then we may have to change the joist a little bit and reconfigure the load. So it may get up to another $1,500 to $2,000. So to do both vaulting and removing this wall, in this space, it can be anywhere between $3,000 and $4,000.
Oh, KP! Hey man, it's a whole Mercedes back here.
Say what?
What? Oh man. House came with Mercedes. Oh shoot. Hey look. And they left the title. Oh man, we gon' oh, Mercedes, bro. Whoa. Oh, we got Mercedes. Listen, we got this house, we bought this house sight unseen. And even though you don't know the numbers, like it don't take rocket science to find the numbers. We got this house for $370. All we did was go on our phone, and you can do the same thing. And you go to an app called Redfin. So what you do is you go to the Redfin app and open it up. Then you hit the nearby. And there's gonna be some filters in here where you can filter and check out the settings. So you go to filter, you do houses, and you put sold, you can do last 6 months, then you hit search. And then now you can see everything that's sold near this house in the last 6 months. So just without even running numbers, we got the house for $370. Look, there's a house here for $314 that sold. There's a house here for $615 that sold. There's a house here for $712 that sold. There's a house here for $780. So you can use technology to get to your numbers really quick. And again, our formula on calculating a total gut job, you just take the square footage of 70 and times that by the square foot, and that will give you a good number. So this house is like 2,000 square feet. So we knew if we gutted it down to the studs, it would be, you know, anywhere from 140 to 150 to do it. We're buying it for 380. You guys do the math. Are we winning or are we losing?